Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Basically I'm academic helper. I can do MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel and MS Access many more assignments of online like accounting, business, finance, mathematics. If you want my service, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend, colleagues, and contact me with on my WhatsApp number or Gmail given in description of this video. So without wasting more time, we start our project, which is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 advanced project 107. It's SIMnet project. Advanced project 107. So thoroughly read this skill card in this project. So I highlight it and then you read it. Open and save, change the zoom levels, use inbox, use sum and calculate result, apply, edit, number, format, supply, border, read column and change the theme, set cell elements, set alignment, name and color, the sheet tab, select page and setup option, add a document property. So without more wasting time, we start our assignment, our project. So step number 1 is open the workbook body logistics 01 XLX short file. In the workbook open protective view, enable editing. Okay, so we already opened this. You can read it, name. Then we added our step number 2, which is the third file. The file named automatically include your name, change the projected file directed so your instruction saved it. Okay, so we already our nickname, our last name and first name is already here. So step number 2 is already completed. Now in step number 3, he says increase the zoom size to 100% and display the grid lines on the screen. Okay, so we increase this into 100%. Otherwise, you can increase by here zoom level 100%. Then it's and display the grid lines on the screen. So apply grid lines. So step number 3 is completed by this. Now we move to our next step, step number 4, which is click the name box, type C34 and press enter. This form cell has a formula that calculates the net income and subtraction operation. You can see the formula in formula bar. So we go here and go to here, name box, type here C34, press enter. And we can see the function in formula bar, which is this. Calculate the net income into the subtraction operation. So here subtraction. Our step number 4 is completed by this. Now we move to our next step, step number 5. Go to the cell C12, use sum in the cell with the cell range A to B11, include all through its currently blank. Okay, so we click here on C12. So we go up, click here. nothing changing. So simply we click here in C12, apply sum function, and it says B6 to B11, B8 to B11, B8 to B11. So we sum this and we get result in C12. So our step number 5 is completed by this. Now we move to our next step, step number 6. Read one of the 0 in the value in cell B9. Read the one of the 0. So we can read 1 0 from here and we check this. Our result is changing in C12 by clicking 1 0. Now we move to step number 6 is complete. Now we move to our next step, step number 7. Use sum in cell C32 with the expense data in cell column B. So we go here in C32. Use sum function in cell C32 and expense data in column B. Okay. So use sum function. Calculate the expense data in cell 32. Read. Now step number 7 is completed by this. Read row 31. The formula that you looked at earlier as move up to cell 33 and adjusted for the location in the sheet. So we read the row 31. And the formula that looked earlier moved up to C33 adjusted for the location sheet. Okay. So I can do in this video 8 step of this assignment. If you want completion of this assignment, you can contact my WhatsApp number or SIMnet given in description of this video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, colleagues and students. Okay, bye.